welcome to Anji Maths channel. Today I would like to discuss about how to solve a pair of linear equations in two variables by algebraic methods, that is substitution method and elimination method. Let us see the question what I have taken. Solve the pair of linear equations 3x by 2 minus 5y by 2 is equal to minus 2. The next one, x by 3 plus y by 2 is equal to 13 by 6 by substitution method and elimination method. Number 1, substitution method. In substitution method, we write one of the equations as x as subject or y as subject. That is, we will write y in terms of x and substitute in the second equation. Let us write equations first, thereafter we will see how to follow. Number 1 equation, 3x by 2 minus 5y by 2 is equal to minus 2. What is x coefficient here? 3 by 2. Y coefficient minus 5 by 2. Whenever you have such fractional coefficients, better to convert them into integral coefficient by multiplying the LCM of the denominators. So, what is LCM here? For 2 and 2, obviously 2. So, let us multiply this equation by 2. That is, multiply this equation by 2. Then what happens? 2 gets cancelled. It becomes 3x minus. Again, here also 2 gets cancelled. 5y is equal to 2 to the 4 minus 4. So, let it be equation 1. And second equation, x by 3 plus y by 2 is equal to 13 by 6. Here also the coefficients are 1 by 3, 1 by 2 and constant 13 by 6. All are fractional values. Let us make them into integral values by multiplying the LCM of these three is 6. So let us multiply this equation by 6. Then what it becomes? 3 1s, 3 2s. So it becomes 2x. Again, by multiplying by 6, 6y by 2, 2 1s, 2 3s. So, if you multiply by 6, it becomes 3y. Then 6 gets cancelled, is equal to 13. Let it be equation 2. Look at these coefficients, they become integral values, that is integers. Now, in substitution method, we have to write any one of the variable in terms of the other, that is, we have to write y as subject. So let me write y as subject. That means keep only y in the LHS. Bring all the terms into RHS. Now 3y is equal to 13 minus 2x. Then y is equal to 13 minus 2x by 3. It will be 3. Now substitute. 3 in 1. So from 2 we have arrived 3. This 3, that is value of y from the equation 2 has to be substituted in the equation 1. So what it implies, instead of y, write down this one. That is 3x minus 5 times, what is y? 13 minus 2x by 3 is equal to minus 4. Very, very important. How do we solve two pair of linear equations in substitution method? Means, first of all, we will write one of the variable as subject and that value has to be substituted in the other linear equation, and by that we will get the equation in only one variable. We will get that value and we have to substitute in the any one of desired equation. So 3 times x, apply distribution, that is 35 65 minus 10x by 3 is equal to minus 4. Again there is denominator, multiply with the 3, then 3 3s are 9x, 3 gets cancelled, 65 minus 10x is equal to 3 4s, 12. Avoid the bracket, 9x minus 65, minus into minus, plus 10x is equal to minus 12. 9x plus 10x, that is 19x is equal to minus 12 plus 65. Then what it becomes? 19x is equal to plus 65 minus 12, that is 53. So x is equal to 53 by 19. We have arrived one of the value of the variable. Now we have to get value of y. Substitute this x value in equation 3. From equation 3, what we get? Y is equal to 13 minus 2 times x means 53 by 19 by 3. That is 13 minus 2 times 53, 106 by 19 by 3. So this is value of y. Then y is equal to, treat like mixed fraction, that is 13 into 19, 190 plus 57, 247 minus 106 by 19 by 3. So sometimes you have to write the steps properly. That is y is equal to, what the numerator becomes, 247 minus 106, that is 141. 141 by 9 by 3. So 141 by 3 by 1 becomes 1 by 3. That is, it is also comes under the denominator. 3 4s are 12. 3 7s are, sorry, here this is 19. So y is equal to 47 by 19. Therefore, solution is xy is equal to, x is, what is x value? 53 by 19, and corresponding y is 47 by 19. So these are the x and y values which are the solutions of given pair of linear equations. Sometimes substitution method also becomes very difficult when you have such rational coefficients, that too in fractional values. So why it is easy? More often we use elimination method. You can easily understand in the next phase, that is in the second method. Now let us see how to solve these pair of linear equations by elimination method. Equation 1 is, by multiplying with 2, what we got? 3x minus 5y is equal to minus 4. We have taken as equation 1. And second one is, by multiplying with 6, 2x plus 3y is equal to 13. This is equation 2. In elimination method, we can eliminate either x or y by equating the coefficients. Here what are the coefficients? 3 and 2. Here 5 and 3. To eliminate, we have to equate the coefficients by finding their LCM. So what is LCM of 2 and 3? That is obviously 6. So let us make the coefficients of x as 6 by multiplying this equation with 2 and second equation by 3. Now 2 into equation 1 implies, multiply this equation by 2. 2 3s are 6x, 2 5s 10y, 2 4s minus 8. So 2 3s, 2 5s, 2 4s. Next 3 into equation 2, that is this equation is multiplied by 3. 3 2s, 3 3s, 3 13s. 3 2s 6x, 3 3s 9y, 3 times 13, 39. So if you add these two, it becomes 12x and it doesn't get cancelled. So that here you have to do subtraction. So that the signs of the second equation will be changed. Plus becomes minus, minus, plus becomes minus. Plus 6x minus 6x cancel. Minus 10y minus 9y minus 19y minus 39 minus 8 minus 47. Minus minus gets cancelled. Y is equal to 47 by 19. Now, from equation 1, substitute y value as 47 by 19. 3 times x minus 5 times y means 47 by 19 is equal to minus 4. Bring this minus 5 into 47 by 19 into RHS. 3x is equal to minus 4 plus 5 times 47 by 19. It is 3x is equal to, treat like mixed fraction, 19 4 times 76 minus 76 plus 47 5 times 5 7 to 35 20 23 by 19. Now 3 times x is equal to, do subtraction, 235 minus 76, it becomes 15 minus 6 9, 12 minus 7 5, that is 159 by 19. So x is equal to 159 by 19 into 3, it goes into denominator, 3 5s, 3 3s, x is equal to 53 by 19. Therefore, what is the solution? So, solution is set of, that is a pair of x and y. What is x value? 53 by 19 and corresponding y value 47 by 19. Whether you solve by substitution method or elimination method, you have to get the same solution. So, by comparing these two methods, obviously most of them follow elimination method. Thank you. I hope you understand.